Hello, this is George from Poland and my Thunderbird 65. As you can see, the back of the car is pretty rusty, so for sure I will need the rear bumper, as it is damaged so badly that it doesn't make sense to repair it. Then the same is regarding the trunk deck. This is trash, and the rear quarters. I know these are available as a repro, but my problem is that this is also rusted away here. And as far as I know, the repro are until this edge here, while I need, in fact, all this part, including this metal sheet, which is under the stream. Okay, then I am also afraid about the condition. As you can see, what is here. Let's go to the other side. The same here. After this will be sandblasted, I believe not too much will remain. Another problem, and so on. So either I will need these parts cut it out, or I can also consider to get the whole body, or the body which will be cutted somehow accordingly to this line and somewhere here. I can tell you that the rest of the car is really good. This is only this weak point. The water was falling from the shed. The shed was too short, and the car was in storage under this shed for 12 years, and this was very, very close to the ocean, so the salt from the air made so much damages. Yeah, I think that's all for the moment. If you will have some questions, we will be then in touch. Thanks.